Hello to everyone. Today, I have an exciting method to share with you on how to make money online using the power of ChatGPT and Quora. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of finding relevant questions on Quora, using ChatGPT to generate high-quality answers, and leveraging affiliate marketing to monetize your responses. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Quora. Quora is a popular question and answer platform with millions of users seeking information on various topics. Look for questions that are relevant to your niche or area of expertise. Once you find a question related to your niche, for example, my niche is weight loss, search this keyword on Quora, click on a relevant question related to the keyword. This will be the question we'll answer using ChatGPT. Copy this question. Now, open a new tab and navigate to ChatGPT. This platform is a powerful tool that can generate human-like responses based on the input you provide. Paste the question that you have copied from Quora into the input field. The AI model will then analyze the question and generate a response for you. Copy the answer generated by ChatGPT and return to Quora. Click on Answer button and paste the answer you received from ChatGPT. Make sure to review the generated response and ensure its quality and relevance. Great! Now that you've added your answer to the question, it's time to monetize your efforts. We'll be using affiliate marketing to earn money from your Quora responses. For this, we'll head over to Digistore24, an affiliate marketplace with a wide range of products. In Digistore24's dashboard, click on the Marketplace section on the top and select a category related to the question you are answering on Quora. In this case, we'll select Health and Fitness. A bunch of products will appear. Select a product related to weight loss. Click on Promote and copy your affiliate link. To make the link more manageable, you can use a URL shortening service like tinyURL. After shortening the affiliate link, return to Quora and locate your answer. Edit your answer and add a compelling call to action, CTA, that entices readers to check out the recommended product. Paste the shortened affiliate link into your CTA, making it easy for interested users to access the product and potentially make a purchase. Finally, hit the Post button to submit your answer to Quora. And there you have it. By combining the power of ChatGPT, Quora, and affiliate marketing, you can make money online while helping others find the answers they're looking for. You must answer 5 to 10 questions every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.